it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And boy, do we have a video today. We are going to be doing a full, honest review of the Cash App investing. For those of you that don't know what the Cash App is a money management app that offers a variety of financial tools ranging from debit cards to cryptocurrency investing and even stock investing. So we're going to be talking about the pros, the cons, and should you use this app. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to sign up for the Cash App, I'll put a link to it down below where you guys can sign up. But guys, let's jump into this. So like I said, for those of you that don't know what the Cash App is a financial app that offers a variety of financial tools ranging from a debit card to cryptocurrency investing to stock market investing. And they offer a variety of tools, like you guys can select certain promotions for your debit card where you guys can save some money. You guys can send stocks to friends and family. You guys can send cryptocurrency to friends and family. But the moral of this video today is going to be the stock market investing feature. What is the pros and cons of investing into the stock market with the Cash App? Alright, so let's start with the pros. Alright, so the pros, it's a very, very basic investing app. You guys can buy stock for as little as $1, so they offer fraction shares, which definitely incentivizes beginners to use this app. Not to mention, it's clean, it's easy to use, it's beginner friendly. You're not going to be overwhelmed or confused by using this app. Another great thing about the app is you guys can automate all your investing, so you can literally set up automated investing for like $1. So if you wanted to buy Coca-Cola stock every single week and invest $5 into it, you can already have it preset, so you don't have to go on the app, deposit the money, buy the stock. You can pretty much automate all of it. Another great thing about the app is you guys can invest into ETFs, so you guys can pick between stocks and ETFs, which is really cool. Now, there is some things that the Cash App lacks. One of them being is the IRA accounts. There is no IRA accounts. An IRA account is a tax incentivized retirement account that definitely is designed for long-term investing. The only investment account that you guys can have is just a standard broker's account, which honestly isn't that big of a deal. But if you're looking to hold positions for a long time for retirement, you need an IRA account because it will save you so much money for taxes. And like I said, you guys can invest into cryptocurrency. And actually, let me rephrase that. You can invest into one cryptocurrency, and that's Bitcoin. You guys can't buy Ethereum or any other cryptos. You only can invest into the GOAT, which is Bitcoin, which if you want to be diversified with crypto, you can't do it on the Cash App. Now, like I said, you guys can only invest into stocks and ETFs. So if you want to invest into mutual funds, bonds, or any other assets, you can't do it with the Cash App. And that does include options. And speaking of option trading, there is no trading feature for this. Honestly, if you're looking to trade, I would highly recommend other apps. Even Robinhood now offers a trading platform called the Robinhood Legend. Let me break down, should you use this? Here's the thing. If you guys are investing and just putting money away, maybe for like a savings account or some sort of backup, that's awesome. That's absolutely fantastic. I would rather see you guys use the Cash App for investing than not invest at all. But the thing is as a consumer, we have the option to pick the best broker. There's a lot of great brokers out there. If you guys are looking for just a very basic broker, I would highly recommend Robinhood. Robinhood's super simple to use. It offers option trading, it offers IRA accounts, and you guys can buy stock for as little as $1. It's definitely designed for beginners and even long-term investors. And not to mention, Robinhood now offers a 2% match on your money when you deposit it in your IRA account. So that's like free money. But I'm not getting sponsored or promoted by Robinhood, but I'll put a link to them down below, so if you guys want to sign up, you guys can sign up there. I just definitely think that the Cash App is great for people that already use the Cash App for just their bank and they're looking to just put money away, for easy investing for a little savings, an emergency fund. But if you're wanting to take investing serious, I would highly recommend just having another broker, because it will save you money, it will save you a headache, and it'll just give you more options to make more money. So if I was gonna rate the Cash App out of 5 stars, I probably would give it a 3 stars out of 5. And the biggest drawbacks for me with this is there's no IRA account, and I think that's just the biggest thing, because a lot of people want to just invest and forget, and since you can automate all your investing, which is really easy, and they even offer the roundup feature, so it's just, I just wish there was just more options with this app. But overall, it's still good, and I'd rather see you guys use this than not invest at all. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.